So we've had an extremely hot summer. Been in lockdown, I've used the water a lot more than usual. I've got quite a large roof behind me here which replenishes my go-to water butts quite frequently, so that's always fresh and clean. Up the top of the garden there I've got a greenhouse with a larger water butt, and that's what I tend to go to when I run out down here. Went to it yesterday, absolutely stinks, so today we're going to clean it out. So we're just up by the greenhouse. As you can see, beneath a lot of trees, so we get a lot of debris, a lot of leaves, leaf matter, and it filters through it, gets rotted down in the guttering, which I have to clean quite frequently, and it all ends up in here. So you can already see absolutely full of mosquitoes. Going to start by giving it a good hose down initially, get rid of the worst, the thick of it. So I've got a 10 litre bucket of hot water here, and on the Jeyes Fluid on the table it says for 5,000 ml, 5 litres, for cleaning out water butts use 15 ml of Jeyes Fluid. I use this for a while. So, tablespoon, that's about 5 ml. 1, 2, 3. So that's 30 ml in there. Give it a good stir. 5 litres. I've used warm water, it's better at cleaning. Now, you can also, if yours isn't as bad as mine, and you just need to freshen the water up and it isn't full of slurry and thick gunk in the bottom like mine was, you can use it just to freshen up your water, which is 5 ml, so you 1 teaspoon for a full water butt. So that's the fluid in. I'm going to give it a good rinse around now and a brush around with a soft bristle brush. Now that's emptied, just give it a good rinse out and we'll install it back up by the greenhouse. Okay, thanks for watching, and hope to see you in another video.